Okay, in this short video, I'm going to explain you how is DeFi as a business, and I'm going to draw everything right here. I'm going to draw everything right here so you can understand in very simple way how you can treat DeFi as a business and everything else how you can treat as a business. So in the nutshell, what's happened is we have freaking liability in life and also assets. So assets is something what's giving you money, and liability is something you're spending money. Okay, so example, this is, just imagine, okay, so this is your bank, this is your bank account. Usually we have one asset in life, and that's our work, and that's very sad. We have one asset, okay, that means one income. Okay, usually 90% of the people, 95% of the people have one asset, that's our work. Now with DeFi, using as a business, we can have more assets. However, we have a lot of liability. Example, this is our bank. Once a month we get a payday. In America you have twice a month, every week, doesn't matter. You have one income, and then you have a lot of outcomes or liability. You have house, you have bills, food, gas, petrol, car expenses. Sometimes you want to go for in the cinema, movie theater, you want to go for holidays, correct? All of this is liability. Everything is expenses, okay? Look how many we have. Probably just go and check your bank account, and or just do write down in your paper, and you will see how many you have outcome of your income. You have one income and more. Now, what is financial freedom? If this number here, the income, is larger than this one, that means you make more money than you spend. That means you are financially free. So what's mean financially free? It's equal to more time for you, and then you can do whatever you want. Financial freedom depends. It's mean for everybody something else. Now with DeFi as a business, how we can create this? Let me just put my light. I totally forgot. Yes, there we go. All right. So DeFi as a business, how we can create this? We need to create small different businesses, like I'm doing yield farming, nodes, and you can do whatever you want. But in my channel, I'm trying to educate everybody for yield farming, because you can have more different pairs in more different exchanges and decentralized exchange, and you're getting passive income, which means you can create more small businesses, what's going to give you more passive income. And then you can do whatever you want with that passive income. You can go and put back into the business, that means compound. You can take out for your pocket, or you can go and reinvest into something else, like example your bull market portfolio. So this is DeFi as a business. Again, if you have any question, let me know. Hit me down in the description, or find me in my Telegram and ask me anything you want. I'm more than happy to talk with you and to answer to any question you have. Again, watch my videos for the DeFi, how I'm doing yield farming, because I think yield farming is one of the best way at this moment where we live to make income right now. Which means you provide liquidity, you're the market maker, and you earning fees right now in the same seconds. Thank you so much. God bless. Share the video, and let's help more people to get educated. All right, goodbye.